I don't understand why people would think just because I own a motorcycle tire changer that I would mount and balance. I would remove their wheels, mount and balance new tires, and install their wheels for free. That's not going to happen. But he got mad at me. He wanted me to change his back tire. He wanted me to pull his wheel off his motorcycle. I told him, I said it'll be $100. I said, if you're going to do it, you might as well do the front too. I charge $100 to do both wheels. I charge $100 to do one wheel. That way you're not wasting my time. You know, he got his panties all up in a wad. Now he doesn't talk to me. He doesn't wave at me when he sees me. Which is okay. We all have those people in our lives who are takers. They're going to take everything that we offer, and they're never going to give anything in return. I'm old enough now that I just don't tolerate it. I don't need scavengers in my life. Vultures. I'm sure this video does a good job of letting you all see how beautiful it is up here, but I wish you'd come up here and experience it for yourself. We're coming into Highlands now. I'm going to take y'all through downtown Highlands. I really need to I need to work on figuring out the back roads that get me away from going through downtown Highlands and dealing with the red lights. I know there's a little road up here on the left that goes to the little grocery store, and I think it comes out somewhere, but one day I'll look at Google Maps and figure it out. But this way here, you can see what Highlands looks like. There's really not much to Highlands. It's just a lot of people with money. But somewhere here, I think here you can go in there and come out the other side on 64. Maybe that one. It's not much, it's not really a problem to come up here. Because it's just right here at the red light. You're gonna make a left on 64. But sometimes you can get stuck at this red light for what seems like an eternity. And if you own a Ducati, you know exactly what I'm talking about. I wish they had more restaurants here. So we're going to take 64 west. The pizza place, I wonder if that's any good. Ice cream, chocolates, fudge. They have all the same crap that all these little tourist towns have. That road goes through. I bet it's a nightmare to make a left-hand turn on a weekend. And I think that road there goes through also. And that white van right there, that is an Amazon van. But it would be cool if they had like some restaurants and stuff in Highlands where a group of motorcycles could go and have a decent meal. And I hate to say it, this is going to sound racist, y'all. We do not see many black people here. And the black people that are here are super friendly. You absolutely want to be friends with the black people that you meet here. Anywhere up here in the mountains. If they've made it this far north out of Atlanta, they're probably decent people. It is rare. It is rare to meet a thug or a gangsta up here in the mountains, outside of their natural habitat in Atlanta.